Areas where the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado beats the competition. For decades, Chevrolet has been manufacturing workhorses worthy of praise, and it always had Ford and Dodge to compete with. This competition inspired improvement. With each generation and each model year, these manufacturers bettered their trucks in an attempt to come out on top, be it tiny details and gimmicky features or overall reliability and performance. There is no definite answer to the question, who makes the best truck? Each has its own pros and cons when compared to its rivals. An individual's tastes and intended use determine the best. However, clear statistics document the best-selling full-size truck, and it has not been the Silverado during the past few years. Yet, this does not make the Silverado the absolute inferior full-size truck, as it has proven to be the better truck in particular comparisons. The Silverado offers quality engine options. Whether you are planning to take your family out on a road trip, a farmer looking for a truck with good towing capability, or even if you want to own a truck that would be off-road ready from the factory, Chevrolet has something that suits you. For the 2022 model, Chevrolet offers 9 trims for the Silverado: WT, Custom Trail Boss, RST, LT, LT Trail Boss, LTZ, ZR2, High Country. With those trim options, there are different engines to choose between, including a 2.7-liter turbo, a 5.3-liter, and a 6.2-liter V8. The most interesting engine option, however, must be the 3.0-liter turbo diesel Duramax. It is reliable and durable, and it has an excellent fuel efficiency rating of 31 mpg on the highway and 23 mpg city. Furthermore, the turbo diesel does not sacrifice power for efficiency, as it produces an astounding 460 pound-feet of torque. This motor stands out the most in the low-end range, which happens to improve the acceleration of the relatively heavy truck. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the Duramax provides seamless gear shifting, which helps the Chevy Silverado create a pleasant and smooth riding experience, especially when put under load. These circumstances give the full-size Chevrolet an advantage over its competitors, such as the Ford F-150, Ram 1500, and even Toyota Tundra. The full-size truck offers more than enough space. While it is true that the Silverado does not come with the most luxurious cabin design, the spaciousness of the interior makes up for that. It has the most head and legroom among its rivals. Chevy also provides you with multiple functional compartments, which doesn't sound like much, but you will surely appreciate it when taking the Silverado on a trip. The interior also features a big screen with a user interface that is easy to use and does not overcomplicate things. The space and the functionality are not limited to the interior, as the cargo bed on the Silverado is one of the roomiest ones out there. And it is one of the major focus points of Chevrolet when designing the truck, since it features what is called the Multi-Flex, a multi-purpose design for the tailgate. The Silverado's safety features. When it comes to safety, the Silverado seems to be on top of the list. The full-size Chevy truck offers an astonishing number of safety features, such as a safety alert seat, adaptive cruise control, and forward collision alert. It'll also automatically stop the vehicles in case of detecting an upcoming obstacle, and it will let you know if there is a vehicle in your blind spot. And the ones mentioned are only some features Chevrolet included in the Silverado to improve safety. There are also cameras almost everywhere around the truck, 15 of them to be exact. One of the most interesting ones is a camera angle designed for towing and trailering that will also act as a guidance system for hitching. The hitching system is guided by Super Cruise, which is one of the most exciting features in the Silverado. It is a semi-autonomous driving system that will take you to your destination using a lidar navigating the road, whether a highway or a curvy mountain pass, as long as it is within the 200,000 miles of road supported by the Super Cruise system. Silverado is undoubtedly a fantastic full-size truck, as are its competitors. Many parts of the Chevy make it the better truck, and many other aspects make it inferior. Ultimately, the buyer's purpose and taste would determine which truck is superior. With that said, we all hope to keep witnessing that competition as seeding innovation.